Welcome back, guys. Let's see what is about semantic filter prompt pattern is. So as I said, you can see the filter option here. Filter means uh, filtering or removing the AI, removing the words or removing the information or data which are repetitive or anything that you want. Like if you all use Google Docs, right, app, anything that, so there is some find and replace option that you can use. So in that you can find something in the uh, document itself, as well you can replace with anything that you want, like that it will works. So simple, it is a simple pattern. You can see the here you can see the fundamental contextual statement you have to use. Filter this information to remove x means it can be a word, anything information that you are looking to replace or looking to remove, right? It's the best thing, right? It will save your time in the content or anything without finding the each and every word. You will just see that and you will filter the information, and you can remove or you can add whatever it may be. It will filter based upon your requirements. It will add or remove anything that you want do with this prompt pattern. So it is a simple prompt pattern. Let's see. You can see the example here. You will need to replace x with an appropriate definition of what you want to remove, such as names, dates, or cost rather than 100 or anything like that. So to get better understanding here, let's go to ChatGPT and we'll try what is actual about semantic filter prompt pattern is. Let's go to the ChatGPT. So let's try. So as we all already discussed, semantic filter means filtering the information, right? So what we have to do, we have to tell to AI, we have to guide AI to filter this particular information. So uh, we have to provide the information in prompt itself, or you can tell like that. I will tell you, can use that prompt patterns as we are earlier discussed. I will tell you which information you want to filter. So ask me for the information. So it will ask. Again, you can use like that, act as a filter. Okay, you can write as a act as a advanced filter. You can write like, because the AI will think in the filter expertise, that have filter expertise, or this is a simple thing, right? So you do not use act as a person or pattern. This is a simple basic function of anything that is filtering, right? So otherwise you can use it, there is no problem in that. So what you can do, you can use like that, I will tell you which information you want to filter, right? Just ask me for the what information you will filter. So it is ask me for input prompt pattern, right? It will best for you if you are looking to build some applications, you want input from the user, right, variable like that. So you can use the ask me for input prompt pattern. So right, like that. So I'm just I'm explaining you this, just I am telling AI to remove some particular task, right? I will tell you remove. Instead of that, I will let filter. Okay, filter. uh, So we can use the filter information as well, or we can use the some functions like remove or filter. You can use a filter directly. Filter the daily expenses. Filter the daily expenses which, okay, daily expenses cost uh, greater than, just I will take it $10. Okay, from okay, filter the daily expenses cost greater than $10. Okay, from below. Okay, in the following, you can write like this. You can, in the following expenses, in the following my daily expenses. So you can write the effective as much as if you are better at writing. So I'll just telling you the examples here. So what I am telling the AI, just I will take the breakfast. I will take breakfast. That is my cost is, let's say $8. right? Or next, this lunch, let's take lunch. Lunch will take mm, $13. Okay, I'll just take an, that is just take dinner right directly, that is $7. Actually it will goes high, just for example I am taking for you to understand very well. So what I'm guide to the AI, filter the daily expenses cost greater than $10 in the following my daily expenses: breakfast $8, lunch $13, dinner. What AI will generate is, what I guided the AI, just filter, or filter means what it will do, it will think what filter, okay, I will filter that. In which functionality I will filter, remove or add anything like that. So what you have to do, filter the daily expenses cost greater than $10. Filter means removing the unwanted details or that you don't like, right? What it will do, the greater than 13, right? So you can see the lunch, it will delete or it will remove the $13 lunch from my daily expenses. So let's see the output here. So you can see your daily expenses greater than $10 or lunch 13, right? You can see here, right? So what it will doing this, if you use the filter directly, it will just take what you tell. Okay, uh you can see here the $13 is greater than 10, right? So that's why it will just a filter, just it will take it out the filter. It just take it out what you are looking to take it from that. So if you focus here, the other tools are not there, breakfast and dinner. What if I tell AI, remove the daily expenses cost greater than $10? Let's see. This is a functionality of one filter. So what it will do, it will generate me a breakfast and dinner. It will just delete lunch. See, you can see the example here. That is the main purpose of using remove and filter directly. So the remove, it is also the under the filter option, right? Filter, if you are using the filter, it will only takes what you are filtering, right? If you are using remove, the daily and the direct filter option, instead of using filter, it will generate you, it will generate the other two which is doesn't have the uh, filter uh, uh, filter option, like that expenses lunch 13. You can see the output here. To remove the daily expenses greater than $10, the lunch expense of $13 will be removed. Your updated daily expenses are like this. So that is the different between using the filter option directly and remove. So there is no doubt in that the filter option and remove option, these two are comes under the semantic filter. But what I am telling you to this, if you use the filter, it will only take the filter option. If you use the main functionality of the filter option, that is remove or anything else, so it will generate all the output. Okay, which you can easily analyze the things that you have done, right? This is a one type of example. Let's